Well, hello everyone. I really appreciate the invitation that you extended to me to join you for your meeting in Florida today. I actually wish I was there, as I expect the weather in Florida is a little bit nicer than it is here in London. I am disappointed. My travel schedule kept me from being able to be there in person, but that's not going to stop me from sharing some thoughts with you about the importance of PILMA as, I believe, one of the country's most forward-thinking and most successful labor industry partnerships that exists in the United States. I want to take a minute to just recognize PILMA for its efforts over the last decade. I remember when we started. I mean, year on year, I think PILMA has been dedicated to making sure we have a strong domestic biopharmaceutical sector, access to affordable medicines for people, especially members, protecting jobs in the United States. I think PILMA continues to show that they've got a very refined public policy agenda that I think has gained strong bipartisan support, even in times of political polarization. Certainly your efforts on follow-on biologics and on patent reform, I think, help to assure that standards that protect American investment and jobs were there. PILMA continues to demonstrate the success of its model in terms of results and in terms of process. Your efforts to develop training center tours that bring together key stakeholders, I think, have demonstrated to public and elected officials the benefits of the partnership that we've created together. And the op-eds and other earned media that feature union voices talking about industry priorities have highlighted the importance of union training and certification programs. One of the key factors of PILMA's success from my perspective has been the strength of its leadership, both nationally and locally. At the state level, a special thanks to Sam Latham for his work in Astra-Zeneca's home state of Delaware. Sam, thank you. To Fred Mason for his efforts to expand our outreach into Maryland and DC, which has really been very valuable. Again, thanks. And at the national level, I want to extend my best wishes to Mike Sullivan in his retirement. While he never backed down from a fight to protect the interest of his members, as I know, Mike has always demonstrated the value of extending a hand across the table for the common good, which I have always appreciated. And I understand that you, Vince Panvini, will also be retiring at the end of the year. Vince, your experience, your political savvy, your get-it-done attitude, I think, have been a tremendous asset for our organizations. And I wish that the Philadelphia Eagles and the Philadelphia Phillies had the same kind of get-it-done attitude, Vince, that you've always brought to our interactions. I want to extend my personal gratitude to Mike and to Vince for teaching me so much about the trade union movement, about politics, and about friendship. I consider you both my friends. And let me end by wishing you all the best for a great meeting. I look forward to hearing more about how we can work together to build and strengthen this great partnership for a stronger industry and for a stronger country. Thanks.